sahihi, lakini kwa sasa tuangazie taarifa hii ambapo kamati maalum ya bunge la seneti imezuru kaunti ya Busia ili kufanya matayarisho ya kuandaa vikao vyake vinavyotarajiwa kufanyika katika bunge la kaunti hiyo kuanzia tarehe 23 hadi 27 mwezi Septemba. Kwenye kikao na wanahabari mjini Busia, naibu mkurugenzi wa shughuli za bunge la seneti Zakayo Mogere, kaunti ya Busia ni ya 4 nchini kuandaa vikao vya bunge la seneti baada ya Uasin Gishu, Kitui na Turkana mtawalia. Mogere amesema kuwa lengo kuu la kuandaa vikao vya seneti kwa majimbo ni kuwapa maseneta fursa nzuri ya kutangamana na wananchi na kubaini changamoto zinazokumba serikali za kaunti.
Is to come and check on the available facilities and the preparedness of the county. And when we are talking about the county, it's the entire county, right from the county executive to the county assembly and even the national government structures based in the county. Our areas, specific areas that we are looking at is the plenary hall at the county assembly, the offices at the county assembly premises, committee rooms in the county assembly, and wherever we can get some good halls that we can be able to hold meetings for our committees. What we'll be able to achieve after this is to take our Senate, the legislative arm, to the people. The Senate serves to protect and defend the interest of the counties. We realize this, that we cannot do this effectively if we are batched in Nairobi. So we move around the country in compliance with what the law has given us to do, so that then we can be able to interact closely with the counties and their governments.
Therefore, we welcome the Senate here. We know that the Senate plays the role of protecting and enabling counties. And today, we want to welcome the Senate here and allow them to state the objectives for which they are here, and to tell them that we are ready to host them now and to host them in the month of September when they will be doing their sittings.